出发去杭州，下雨了，我丢。It's fucking big station.
I'm already tired. I'm not even up yet.
这个应该是复兴号。吃点小瓜子，瓜子，
Whatever you say.
瓜子咕哒。啊。Usually when we book the ticket, you already know your seat.
That's really cool, actually. Because when you do that in Belgium and Netherlands, you just have to look where you can sit. If you have space, otherwise you just like...
Also, the job is always clean. They clean it a lot. Remember in Netherlands, the train was always
so
dirty. But the,
someone eat on the floor.
but the bad thing is we cannot bring bicycles or animals.
It's true. Also, if you know, pay for it, can you
No.
bring your animal? And actually, I think, what if you have a cat or a tiny dog and you want to travel to your parents and farther away?
They would just travel in the car, I think. There's always some good thing and bad thing.
It's true. It's a bad thing.
I think the Netherlands one is only 180.
It's like double.
Yes.
So cute.
It's Hangzhou. 啊，3个行李。Yes. 老外要走这个人工通道，据说杭州网红比较多，说不定还能看到网红呢。现在去拿车。
ET5
租了个蔚来 ET5，
Oh, very big.
买了个保险，撞了也不撞，买了个
是需要您承担一定责任的哈。因为这个车它特别容易蹭到那个轮毂。
你们公司叫啥名字来着？
麻豆自行。
名字怎么怪怪的？
Hi, know me.
有效期还有2天，这玩意儿真先进呢。好的，开始。
我没听清楚，想。
这玩意儿真带劲呢！这汽车智能化跟电动化是未来的趋势，以后我有钱我也买一个。鼓掌。
Very good. Look at the music.
这玩意儿音响也不错，这个不是广告呀，我随便租的。终于到酒店了，订了个希尔顿。希尔顿确实不错，感觉挺干净的。啊？他买的卡皮巴拉。我这是。
Tea for your sister.
我姐送她的茶。Are you tired?
Yes.
终于可以休息休息了，看看电视啥的，吃点小外卖，等会儿去鸿星尔克。这直播间也太不好找了，而且还下雨。Flower 还给我花呢，我也不要这个呀。What's this?
I kill you.
有点紧张。Welcome, Belgian girlfriend.
Mama, look what you showed me. We are in studio with Inga Flower. There he is. I need to sit there tomorrow.
我的妈呀 ，baby. All of the profit from the sneakers will go to the poor people.
That's good. That's a good thing. I'm just scared I cannot talk Chinese.
Doesn't matter.
Tell me, go.
If we sell 7 or 8 shoes, then 1 children can get 1 free.
Okay, that's good. I want to give them as much as possible.
That's why we're here.
So please, buy some shoes, buy some sneakers to support the children.
But the clothes is for us.
I don't care.
我来，
It's extra. It's first some shoes.
618会比平时便宜吗？
当然会。
这便宜多少呀？
我们今天过来的话，会比我们线下的价格折上折。
真的假的？你别
当
忽悠我。
然是真的。
这是我们就大概会上的一些款，就偏男性，因为咱们粉丝都男性占比比较高嘛。
这个是旗舰版的跑鞋，看着还可以。
这个明天咱们也可以上。
趁618便宜多买点。我打算就是所有卖鞋子的佣金折现成鞋子，然后发到山区。然后衣服其他的归我们，但鞋子是归到山区小孩。
可以。
对，怎么说来着？把社会利益跟个人利益结合。
其实很多达人就是会有这种想法，但是可能没有就是落到实处。但是我觉得落到实处还是不错的。
Pretty。
Very soft.
Let's go to 西湖。 Sea Lake，
Sheer Lake.
，very famous。
Actually, it's
转了半天没有找到停车位，这么大的景区没有停车的地方。
this puzzling parking. Come on.
停车每小时12元，我勒个乖！
It's very humid climate here. Humidity climate.
这个小树林还可以。顾兰，
Good.
嗯，
Very good, Mr. Good.
谢谢。来这边撒个尿，4星级厕所。到西湖了，终于。还有一些小鱼呢。原来这个就是西湖啊 ！I wanna take the boat later。
Yeah, me too.
喂点小麦片，应该可以喂吧？
Look.
这个小船150一小时，还可以。We can also have tea， 50块钱一杯龙井。We can take the boat for the whole one lake。
Shit.
嗯
They're all watching me.
，Really？
Because they see to puke and they just puke in the water. Oh,
啊
that's the building I saw.
啊，小塔 ，Tower。啊，雷峰塔。帅哥，你们划1小时多少钱啊？相当于100块到你们手里就30块。150 30块。手动放一点音乐。鼓掌。
Very good. I
整点外国 music。
cannot dance too hard, otherwise the boat will capsize. I'll wait until the rhythm comes.
Yes, you can do it.
Have you ever danced on Avicii on a lake? It's our first time.
The peaceful lake.
Not so peaceful anymore now. Bitches.